In today's video, I'll be using AI to script, edit, and create a faceless YouTube video. To write the script, I'll be using ChatGPT. If you haven't used ChatGPT before, it's very easy to use. All you have to do is ask ChatGPT to write you a script for the YouTube idea that you have in mind. For this example, I've asked ChatGPT to write us a full 5-minute YouTube script for a video about the safest places to travel as a solo traveler. And as you can see, ChatGPT is doing its thing. It's writing out that full script for us. When you're creating a faceless YouTube channel, this is the part that's going to take the most time. So it's really nice that we have this tool available to expedite the time it takes to create your script. ChatGPT has gone ahead and created that full-length YouTube script for us. The script starts off by saying, "Welcome to our video on the safest places to travel as a solo traveler." Whether you're a seasoned solo traveler or just thinking about taking your first solo trip, the idea of traveling alone can be daunting. We got Iceland. Japan is another great option for solo travelers. New Zealand. Canada is another great option for solo travelers, and so on. If you wanted to expand any of these specific sections, you could do that by copying that section, pasting it in, and ask ChatGPT to expand that paragraph. As you can see, ChatGPT will go ahead and expand that paragraph for you. And as you can see, it's really easy for you to expand your content. You can use ChatGPT to expand it as much as you like, and then remove any content which you don't want to include within that video. So for this example, we can copy this paragraph over, head back over to our script here, and then talk about Iceland. We can paste this in here. So again, it's very easy for you to get a very long and in-depth script using ChatGPT. And again, you can do that for any section of your script. So if you want to expand the section that talks about Japan, paste that in here. And as you can see, ChatGPT will go ahead and expand that paragraph for you. I found that when you ask ChatGPT to generate you a full-length YouTube script or a blog post all in one shot, you really don't get that long of content. But if you break it up and you ask ChatGPT to generate 2 specific sections or expand on specific sections of the initial content, you're able to get much longer pieces of content. Once you've extended your YouTube script and you're happy with the overall script, the next step is to copy that script and head over to Pictory. Pictory is going to be the tool we'll be using to turn our script into a video. In my opinion, this is one of the best script-to-video tools you can use, and they make it very intuitive and very easy to use. There's a link in the description for a free trial of Pictory if you want to try it out. So once you're on Pictory, there are a couple of ways in which you can turn your content into videos. You can do article to videos, you can edit your videos using text, or you can do visuals to a video. But for this example, we'll be using the script to video template. To get started, go ahead and click Proceed and enter the name of your video. Next, here is where you'll paste the full script for your YouTube video. So I've gone ahead and entered the script onto a Google Doc. So I'm going to copy this over and paste it onto Pictory. This way, it'll show us the amount of characters. And we can also do a spell check as well. Once you've pasted your script, you can then proceed to the next step, which is selecting your video style. Pictory offers a wide range of video styles to choose from, such as animated, live action, and whiteboard. For this example, let's say we've selected the animated style. Pictory allows you to fully customize the look and feel of your video to match your brand and aesthetic. You can proceed to the next step, which is adding music and sound effects to your video. Pictory has a library of royalty-free music and sound effects that you can choose from. However, if you have your own music or sound effects that you'd like to use, you can also upload them. Once you've added your music and sound effects, you can preview your video and make any final edits before exporting it. Exporting your video is a straightforward process. Once your video is exported, you can then upload it to YouTube or any other video platform of your choice. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for creating engaging scripts for YouTube videos and other content. And with Pictory, turning your script into a video is a breeze. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a larger team, using ChatGPT and Pictory can save you a lot of time and effort in creating high-quality videos for your YouTube channel. So give it a try and see how it can help you create more engaging and professional videos for your channel. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more.